Sure.
What we're looking at.
Organic food has no GMO, no pesticides, no herbicides, no insecticide, and no fungicides. And this is all chemical uh, fungicides, herbicides, all of those. It does not include natural fungicides like or herbicides, like for example copper sulfate, which is a natural fungicide. That is okay to use and still be labeled organic if it occurs naturally in nature. I use it all the time. You just rinse it off.
Oh, okay. So it doesn't get absorbed into the plant and
And
poison your organs.
no, and plus it's it's natural. It's not you know Daconil or something like that.
So it's basically anything synthetic.
Right. Anything man-made.
And this is the term organic is regulated by the USDA. So you want to see that label, that USDA organic label. And if you go to the USDA website, they have a lot of information on what is organic. I won't go over the whole thing. Basically, just no synthetic fertilizers, sewage sludge, irradiation, and GMOs, which if they don't have that label, that's what you're getting is sewage sludge, irradiation, and GMOs and synthetic fertilizers. And the good news is it looks like the guidelines to be certified organic are pretty stringent and well enforced by the USDA. So if it's got that label, that you know that it's pretty safe, or the safest you're going to get without growing it yourself.
I It takes years for some farms to become certified organic. They do soil testing, water testing, they test your seeds, all of that kind of stuff.
There are some other labels out there besides organic that are a little misleading, like the term natural and healthy, and these are not regulated by the USDA, they're regulated by the FDA. And according to the FDA, natural means that the product does not contain synthetic or artificial ingredients, but it can contain GMOs
And
or and
pesticides,
pesticides,
all of that.
which is and when you see natural, you it leads you to believe that it's organic when in fact it's not even close.
All right, and then on the meat, it doesn't even mean that the animals have been fed naturally as well. They could still be getting hormones, and I mean last year they were feeding cows candy corn because they ran out of food.
It says here the word natural, when applied to meat, poultry, and eggs, is regulated by the USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture, and so it has a totally different meaning when it's applied to meats, and that would mean when you see the word natural applied to meats, it's a product containing no artificial ingredients, added color, and only minimally processed. So we really don't even know exactly what that means, but
Like hot dogs would never be labeled natural because of all the or chicken nuggets because of all
so
the gross stuff that's in them.
so natural doesn't even necessarily mean that it's hormone or antibiotic free, and those are separate labels. And there's another label that the FDA regulates called healthy, and this is even more deceptive, really, because this only has to do with limiting the amounts of fats and saturated fats and cholesterol, sodium, and means that it requires specific amounts of vitamins and minerals. And there's another website we can look at, and this is the FDA's website. Under confusing claims, we have Barbara Schneeman, PhD, director of the Food and Drug Administration's Office of Nutrition, Labeling, and Dietary Supplements, says consumers seem to think that natural and organic imply healthy, but these terms have different meanings from a regulatory point of view. They don't mean the same things as if you looked it up in the dictionary. They have a completely different meaning.
Well, right. If you go to the store and you see a type of granola bar that's labeled as healthy, and then you actually look at the back of it and it's full of just stuff that you can't even pronounce, it's probably not that healthy. It's full of chemicals and artificial flavorings, but low in fat. And same with organic. I mean, you can buy organic ice cream, but that doesn't mean it's good for you.